before I get on, you know what I did? Got these videos for who? For you, because it's my job. And that's what I do.
I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
Hey, real estate relatives. Today, we are back in Stafford, Texas, in the community of Park Hill Villas, and we're going to right now walk you through Chesmar's the Cheverny Floorplan. We can't wait to get into it, so without further ado, let's do it. This floor plan starts just around $356,000, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. That is 1,710 square feet.
Love the flooring. Then the second thing that catches my eye are the windows. The big windows. Sheesh. And then I can't help but to fall in love with this kitchen. Turn this on. There we go. They do have under cabinet lighting, but let me try to turn it on. So we're gonna figure this out. There we go. Okay, boom. So look, check it out. Boom, now it's on. Yes, yes, yes. So what I really love about this kitchen are the cabinets. I love the color of the cabinets. I can't make up my mind whether I want dark cabinets or lighter cabinets in my own house, because as I do these videos, I'm getting ideas for what I want in my own house. I like these cabinets. They're cute. And I really like them up against the backsplash. And the colors in the backsplash tie in with the stainless steel appliances as well. Now, I don't know if I would have chosen these cabinets, I'm gonna be honest, but they're not bad. They're really cute. I do like them.
It is worth mentioning that should you choose to build here instead of purchasing an inventory home here, you do get to make your own selections for exterior elevation, flooring, paint color, cabinetry, countertop, all the things.
I know most of the time realtors get in videos and they tell you that they love everything about the house. Here's what I don't love. The powder room. I do not like that the powder room is so dang close to the kitchen. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm gonna leave it at that. But what I do like, okay, is this bad mama right here. I love this. I love this fireplace. It's a gas fireplace. I'm sure it is remote control operated, but I do like that. So I take away a point for this powder room being so close to the kitchen, but I'll give them 2 points for this fireplace and the mantle here, which means you won't have to necessarily hang the television on the wall. You can actually just put one here. I'm not always a fan of hanging televisions on the wall. I don't know why, but I'm just not. So now that we've seen that, we're gonna go outside and show you what's going on out there. This yard is similar to what the other yards have looked like. So, I mean, it's enough space to put a table and chairs out here and have a nice little back area. You can put a grill and a fire pit. There's enough room definitely to do all those things. So now we're gonna head upstairs. But before we do, I'm gonna check out this closet. Okay. I don't know what you could use this for, but so I'm thinking like seasonal dishes. I'm thinking decor, but I'm also thinking at the bottom or even on some of the shelves, shoes, right? So when you first come in, I will put probably a little bench area here, and then we'd store our shoes here so that they're out of the way and don't look messy. What would you use this closet for? I'd like to know. Drop down in the comments and let me know. So now, this of course would be your garage, your 2-car garage. And if you've seen one garage, you've seen them all. So I won't spend much time out here. Now, go upstairs and check out this area up here. I do like that this area is carpeted, which means that we should not hear much noise downstairs. And here is your first bedroom. So your closet. And I would probably use this bedroom as an office. I would probably put my desk right here so that I could see the trees blowing in the wind, and I would probably keep this window open on days like this where it's a lot of wind outside. Again, maybe I have a little PTSD from the hurricane, but I don't like the power lines and the trees being so cozy and right up on each other. So here's the restroom, Jack and Jill style. Y'all know I love a good tile that goes all the way to the ceiling, like we have here. And it's interesting that they mix the sizes of the tile. I probably wouldn't have done that, but it doesn't look terrible.
Promises got lost in the dust. Your boots by the door. You're not coming home. Love like wildfire. I was your entire world.
A closet here. Linen closet. And then here is your primary. You get some lights on.
That's not a man, only a coward. On now, you're chasing the wind.
Whether you've purchased multiple properties before or whether it's your first time in real estate, I know that real estate as a whole can be very perplexing and overwhelming at times. But I've helped so many buyers and sellers achieve their real estate goals and dreams, and I would love to show you how I can add value to your transaction and do the same for you. I would love to be your homegirl. All you have to do is give me a call.
I whisper your name, can't get any sleep. Smoking cigarette after cigarette, I watch them burn until I forget we're through. Baby, tell me what to do. Promises got lost in the dust. Your boots by the door. You're not coming home. No, stuck in a ghost town, dressed in moonlight, where I still keep the porch light.
Here's the inventory list for all the Chesmar Homes in Park Hill Villas that are available between now and September. Some great buyer incentives are attached to these homes, so give me a call so we can go home shopping together.
Make sure you keep it locked here on this channel, because next week we got something else. We're gonna keep bringing it and bringing it and bringing it. So you wanna make sure that you keep it locked here by subscribing and hitting that notification bell button so that you are notified each and every time we release a video. We wanna make sure that you know if you have any real estate questions, all of our contact information is gonna appear on the screen now, but then also it can be found in the description of this video. Whatever you do, make sure you always remember that the homegirl, Daphne Brown, is always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Bye-bye.
I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on.
All right, so the rain is coming down. We just finished filming the rest of the floor plans available in Park Hill Villas for Chesmar Homes. I see that most of the workers have skedaddled, and I guess that is because it really is about to pour down. So let me take a page out of their book and get the hell on as well. But before I get on, you know what I did? Got these videos for who? For you, because it's my job, and that's what I do. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.
Mom and dad's only daughter, do